Ropax America 29, when we have huge energy excess, supply, expansion, sales of USA, this is going to generate the rest of the shipping going also at 70%, who knows? But we know that the area of USA, of America, will expand and is now focused. Why? Because there is no wars there and many other situations. But it is really focused today to develop Ropax business. Now, what we have in Europe is a huge experience towards Ropax crew management. Huge. Many islands are in Europe, and so this is going to really grow. Same ways in America, and the Ropax trade to take away trucks from the road will continue. Therefore, think about having American crews for the American trade today. Many ship owners are thinking about the flag, let's put the European flag. Never. Why? Because they don't endorse Panama or Venezuela, and we have issues with officers of other countries. Why not think about the Panama flag, Bahama, Bermuda, Liberia, Marshall? These flags are very friendly to Venezuela, to Panama, and there is a pool, not forget, of 40,000 officers in America today. Perhaps if the American government would invest ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency in the American officers, we could grow from 40 to 400,000, tenfold, yes. But this, the governments of Venezuela, Cuba, Panama, and Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Argentina, Chile, Uruguay, Brazil, and the rest, El Salvador, have to think about why not invest in the maritime schools for officers. And the first thing you have to do is take away the Spanish system, put the Anglo-Saxon system. The British system is the best way. Every rating can go all the way up to captain or chief engineer. So then we have really a goal in our lives. So think about this Ropax solution. Many companies have tried to do that with no success, but I believe it is because they do not have really an experienced Ropax crew management company that we have been doing this since about 70 years ago. So we know how to mix local American crew. Perhaps we need some European crews here and there. But think about this Ropax expansion in America because it will be a big one. Thank you. Bye.